Go.
Where's your pumpkin? Where's your pumpkin? Here I am. Here I am. How do they say? Run away. Where's your pinky? Where's your pinky? Here I am. Here I am. How to do this? Thank you. Run away. Run away. Where's your Thomas? Where's your Thomas? Here I am. Done. I'm done.
You're done?
I'm gonna play this.
What are you playing?
I'm gonna play that.
What's that?
The Play-Doh.
It's a Play-Doh.
I'm gonna make ice cream for me.
You're gonna make ice cream for you?
Yes. First, let's put it there.
Okay.
And the Play-Doh, and the spoon, hold like this. Get down, get. This is. Oh, okay, it's big.
It's big.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, so big.
It's so big.
Wow, whoa, so big. Look out.
Look out. What happened?
Fall down the bed.
Uh-oh. Okay, now where do you put it?
There.
And then? And then?
And again.
Ah, you get another scoop?
Oh, really big.
Oh, it's really big.
Oh no.
It's like your poo-poo. Ew. Ew, ew, no. Oh. Uh-oh. Come on, make ice cream. You show everybody how you make ice cream.
Yes. Put it here.
Then,
Then one more.
one more? Oh, that's enough.
Whoa, it's so big. Baby.
No, oh, no, no. Oh, you put it in the... What's that? What do you call that?
A poo-poo. A bubble. A baby.
No, that's enough. Come on. Come on, you do it now. See? Okay. Then you press it. Come on. You show them how you do it. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
I'm coming.
There. There's the poo-poo.
This the poo.
That's your poo-poo.
Yes.
Okay, done.
No, I finished.
You finished? That's done. Okay, so you turn this around so you can get all the ice cream. There you go. You showed them your ice cream. Ta-da!
Spoon. Put it here.
Are you going to eat that?
Yes.
Why?
The
What flavor is that ice cream?
purple spoon.
What flavor is your ice cream?
Blue.
Blue?
Green.
Blue and green, that's the flavor.
Yes.
Okay. Say bye everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Oh, kiss. Kiss here.
Mwah.
Tell them you're going to eat the ice cream.
Yes. Uh-oh.
Come on, tell them. Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna eat ice cream.
Can we eat ice cream?
Kiss.